Look at the cat playing with the ball.
Pussy. 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 Ball. Ah, you sound cute.
Yep, very cute.
Oh, he pushed it back. Oh, that's so cute.
Oh, I think I pushed it a little too far.
You pushed it too hard.
Let's shoot that. I'm still recording, you know, right? We'll see.
Ball cat. He's coming towards us. Bitch, come here. There's probably someone looking at us out their window like, what the fuck? There's probably someone looking at us out from their window like, what the fuck are they
I mean, I
doing?
see that guy over there.
Ball cat. Oh, is he coming to us? Oh, it's a dog. God damn.
Oof.
Ripping the chat, boys. Come here.
Ooh.
Playing with an empty water bottle. What a clumsy looking outfit.
What the?
I'm gonna go get the ball.
Yeah, go get it. Look at how cute the cat is. Ooh. Let's move away from it.
Alright, yeah, let's move away from it. I'll move a little bit back.
Also, it's kind of weird with my thing, it's like, had a glowy eye.
Yeah. Also, who had the bright idea to bring out their fucking dog? Should I go closer?
What do I see on this phone? You want to go closer to the dog or there?
I don't know. I want to do a flashlight for your video camera thing. Damn, look at his eyes, bro. Just look like green lions. Limes. Can't speak.
It looks like a devil cat.
It's a silhouette.
Okay, that's how it goes. I guess you have to turn that off.
Should I go closer?
Try.
Play with the ball, you cat. Wow, you're gonna walk away like that?
What a joke. I'm gonna try to like two idiots trying to make a cat play with a ball.
That should be a new YouTube video.
Yeah, that's why I'm recording, aren't I?
Yo.
What a funny cat. You ain't no lion. Don't try to like pounce the ball. And then he's like, I'm a scratch myself. Ooh, that light.
Lighting helps with video.
Yeah. I mean, when it's done by a phone, it's
Look at
like.
your nipples.
You know that's something that got caught on video, right?
Yeah.
I'm still recording. Why should I stop?
The fuck's this cat doing? A little gift pass from the barber.
Pass him again. Pass the ball again. Ooh, there's another cat right there. Oh, there's a car coming. I think it's that like a gas car or something like that.
Fast car, NASCAR.
Should I just end it now?
Sure.
Bye.
Where do you even
Yeah.
go?